Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect and analyze the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of seafood with a product that's making waves. Amazon Fresh brand raw medium peeled and deveined tail-off shrimp frozen. If you're a seafood enthusiast like me, you know that finding high-quality shrimp can sometimes feel like searching for treasure at the bottom of the ocean. But fear not, because Amazon Fresh is here to deliver. Let's talk about what sets this shrimp apart. First off, it's responsibly sourced, meaning you can enjoy it guilt-free knowing that it's been harvested in an environmentally friendly manner. Plus, it's phosphate-free, so you're getting pure, unadulterated shrimp goodness. But the real star of the show is the taste. These shrimp are packed with flavor and freshness, making them the perfect addition to any seafood dish. Whether you're whipping up a classic shrimp scampi or throwing them on the grill for a summer barbecue, you can't go wrong with Amazon Fresh. And let's not forget about convenience. With Amazon Fresh, you can have high-quality seafood delivered right to your door, saving you time and hassle at the grocery store. It doesn't get much easier than that. So whether you're a seafood aficionado or just looking to add some variety to your dinner rotation, give Amazon Fresh brand raw medium peeled and deveined tail-off shrimp frozen a try. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews of the best products on the market. Until next time, happy shopping!